So we are here today on the 4th annual Raise the Roof giveaway. And the reason that we're here and what we do is it's our opportunity as a business and as a corporation. We believe that there's a corporate responsibility to give back to your community in a way that only your business could. And in our case, only a way that a builder could.
Honestly, I was excited. I cried. I thought they were lying to me at first. I was like, there's no way. Just because with the diagnosis of cancer and everything felt like nothing was going right. This was just an amazing gift. A storm actually happened in the summer and my cousin came over to help put the gutter back on and he goes, Jillian, you need a roof, like really bad. And I'm like, all right, we'll figure it out. But then not soon after that is when I got sick and got the diagnosis and we couldn't figure out how we would do this.
I told the letter from my heart. I don't even remember what I wrote because I was hysterical crying while I was doing it. I just poured my heart out and told them a mother's worst nightmare was to having to see her child go through something that you couldn't help with. They told me that because of my letter, it put her over the top and she won the new roof. And I couldn't be happier for her. No one deserves it more than her. She's such a loving, giving person.
In partnership with Fox 56 and 84 Lumber, NEPA Builders presents their 4th annual Raising the Roof project, awarding a brand new roof to one lucky winner in our community.
This is phenomenal.
Listen, when I saw it on TV and I said that, all of a sudden I sent it to my mom and I was like, listen, I'm like, just look it up. I'm like, I don't know, what do you think? And then my sisters are like, yeah, absolutely. Why don't we try? And I'm like, well, go ahead. I'm like, I can't nominate myself. Like, and it was just like, honestly, it was just like right time, everything. It was insane.
Nothing happens by mistake, does it? Right? It's all meant to be, and like the, past relationships, fast forward all the way to today.
Yep.
Yeah.
If nothing else, I really truly hope that, this is one less thing that you guys have to worry about, and that,
absolutely.
This
was a huge weight off our shoulders.
Yeah.
Because we're going, how do we even get a loan? We only have one income now. Like it was a lot.
It's crazy. When life adds up and throws curveballs, man, someone's got to be there.
Whoa.
And so 4 years ago, we wanted to do something for our community. And not just the charity, but something that actually with our hands we can give back and support. And so we figured a roof was one of the best ways to do that because it's one of the most protected things that you could have, a roof over your head. Year over year, we get nominations. Fox 56 helps us get nominations for the program, and 84 Lumber Company supplies all of these materials completely for free. Hats off to 84 Lumber Company. They're an amazing, amazing partner. And then all of these people, all of our employees are amazing people, here working hard to get this roof replaced for somebody that needs it.
Over the past several weeks, we've asked you to nominate someone who truly needs a new roof. Tonight, Fox 56 photojournalist Bill Lewis brings us her story.
Family on 3. 1, 2, 3. Family!
Yeah, I went through 37 treatments for radiation and then 2 rounds of chemo and couldn't work at that time. And unfortunately, I was only at the job for 7 months at that point, so it was impossible to be able to work and go through all the treatments because it was 5 days a week. I mean, everything happened so fast with this diagnosis, and literally right before this diagnosis, my cousin was on the roof saying how we needed a new roof, and I looked at my husband, and I said, I don't even know how we're going to do that right now. And then, of course, I had to work. And then this opportunity came, and I, again, am just so grateful for this because we needed this as a family. We got little ones still, and I'm just forever grateful for you guys. Thank you.
Because that's what good people do. Good teams do that. They know it's important, and they reconnect even when it's hard.
Those who made this possible, we give you all the glory and thanks. Amen.
Amen.
Could you say, like, something? What's something in Russian?
I don't know anything about roofing in Russian. Definitely not.
You can't say roof?
No.
Did you say the alphabet in Russian?
You could say
I could.
run away from the police
Yeah.
in Russian.
I don't know if that's gonna get a lot of good views or bad views.
So, right around the time that Jillian found out that she had cancer, she was having her gutters cleaned and found out that the roof was bad. And so not only did the medical bills and things of that become part of it, but then realizing that going into winter, the roof needs to be replaced, and also going through treatments. So, obviously when someone's going through treatments like that, immune systems aren't great, and there's health risks if you're exposed to things like mold and moisture and all of those potential hazards. And so a roof being replaced is obviously very important. It makes sure that there's no potential issues and it makes sure that there won't be any. So
If you have a neighbor or you know someone that needs help, please reach out, because there's always someone there to help someone else. Believe it or not, we do live in a good world and a great community.
this is just one community member. It's just one roof. It's one small thing, but we're trying to make one small thing be a big impact and really change the lives of the people that receive this, but also the people that see this at home. It maybe hopefully will inspire them to do something good, or maybe inspire another business that's out there.
See, I'm a helper at heart. I have been in the helping field with drug and alcohol, mental health for 15, 16 years. So like the helper in me is amazing. Being part of this kind of service work and everything is just, you need it throughout life. People helping people. At some point, everyone needs a helping hand, and typically I'm the one giving the helping hand. So it's been difficult to receive the helping hand, but this kind of work, it's just, this is the community you need. This is the piece that people end up missing in life. We need people helping people.